this is Danita. She is one of our stylists at Curlhouse. And we are going to watch her cut off these locks. This is Miss Muriel. So hi, Miss Muriel.
Hello.
Okay, why are you cutting your locks off?
Well, it's been 12 years that I've had the locks, and I've just been having some problems. Neck problems. It's just so heavy.
Okay.
And I think it's just time for a change.
Okay. Change is good, especially during this season. A lot of people are opting for change. So it's been 12 years, and you said, are the locks heavy?
Yeah, they're heavy.
They're heavy. Okay. Had you intended to keep your locks for 12 years?
I really hadn't thought about it because every time I say I'm going to cut it, they say, don't cut it, don't cut it. But I think it's time for a change now.
Okay. Time for a change.
This is a big one.
What'd you say?
I said, and this is a big one.
Okay.
So we're gonna turn Miss Muriel around and just show her what needs to be, where we're gonna cut. Make sure we're on the same page with where we're cutting, and then we're gonna proceed to do the rest of it. So I'm gonna pull this up. Miss Muriel, you got, like you said, about about 2-3 inches of hair. We'll cut it. We'll check it in a minute, and I'm gonna go right here and cut right there.
Okay. I can't really see it.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Okay.
So, I'm going above your new growth, basically,
Okay.
and I'm gonna cut it right here, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right, there we go. Yay, we have removed the first lock. Do you want to keep your locks, Miss Muriel?
I do.
Okay, we're going to keep them too. All right, there are some organizations that take locks. Like if you want to donate locks, I know there are some organizations that take locks. And for people who want like lock wigs and stuff like that. But some people just choose to keep them and would rather not have their hair on someone else's head. Totally get that too. So we are cutting. I had locks for about a year. I had sister locks for about a year. And Danita cut my locks off about 3 or 4 months ago actually.
Okay.
And the fun part is, this is probably about my 6th set of locks that I've cut off since quarantine. Since
wow.
having been quarantined. Yep.
I just had a girlfriend that got sister locks,
Uh-huh.
and she loves them.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
Your new look. How
I'm
you feel?
excited. I'm excited.
You're excited?
about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, change is
I'm
good.
excited.
Oh my God. Grab these really.
I'm sure my family was shocked 'cause I didn't tell them I was going to do it.
You did it?
Ooh! I didn't tell everybody.
What, did you not want to get their disapproval?
I really don't. Well, at this point,
You
it
don't.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Miss Muriel said, this is my head, and this is
my
what
hair.
we're doing over here. Thank you.
Okay.
And we're almost, well, halfway there, I should say.
Well, I can tell you, your hair probably is going to feel much, much lighter.
Yes, it feels lighter already.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Have you thought about taking the locks home and putting them on a scale to see how much they weigh?
I really hadn't thought about that.
Go ahead, grab one. Oh, you got it?
Okay, we're almost there. So at this point, we are, Danita, are you going to cut, comb out her remaining? locks?
I'm going to see how, yeah, I might cut out just a little bit of the remaining. I just did the initial, thank you, honey. Yeah, we're gonna cut out some. We're gonna cut out
Okay.
some of those remaining locks, but comb some of them. We want to have more length in the top, and so I wanted to make sure that we left extra length in the top.
All right, there you go. Those are your locks.
Ooh,
So
wow.
we will be back for your finished look.
Okay.
All right, well, here we go. Here's your finished look. How you feel?
I love it.
You love it.
Yes,
It
I
looks
do.
great. Let's get you turned around so we can see your fabulous haircut. Oh, it looks so good. Your hair looks so good. Welcome to your new normal. This
Thank
looks
you.
fantastic. Your curls are popping. So we did a little curl definition on you today. Did you know your hair was this curly?
I didn't.
You didn't. So when you went natural, did you go straight into locks or did you wear your loose natural hair?
Well, I had a perm, and then I went to the braids and the twists.
Okay, so
and I
you
had
really
a coworker
didn't.
that talked me into going into the locks.
Okay, so you really didn't wear your loose natural hair out a lot.
No.
Okay, well, we hope you enjoy this new look. You plan to let it grow out?
A little bit.
Okay, it looks very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay, Danita, you did a fabulous job on this haircut.
Thank you.
You look fabulous.
Thank you.
And if you want to cut your locks off, there are always options for locked hair and for loose natural hair. So until we talk again, stay fabulous.
Thank you.